Hey guys! So today we're doing another video on the last day on Earth. So about 5 minutes ago, I was in a medium hard rock place, and guess what I got? Ka-ching! I got the ATV gas tank. I was so proud of it, so proud. I also found a Bunker Bravo card. I've been there before, and it's really hard to get past. And yeah. So, I'm going to go to that place, another place like that, and let me get everything ready, and we'll be right there. So, we're going to here, Pine Grove. So, let's go. I also packed a machete on the way. Go chop chop. I don't know what's gonna be in here, but let's go. So we're in. Let's go. Oh god. Please die. Please die, yeah. Sneaky sneak sneak. Sneaky sneak. Snap! Oh my gosh. Will this actually work? I'm a ninja! Oh my god, I'm a ninja! This. Pachow. I'm a ninja. There we go. Oh crap, he saw me. He saw me. Oh god. Die. Okay, eat. Come on. Oh crap. Come on, kill it. Let me turn up my volume. There we go. Come on. Open. What's inside? Okay. Kinda good. Let me go over here. Ooh, okay, here we go. Hope there's something good in here. Come on. Da-da-da. Oh, it's even worse. So, I sneak my way past here. Go on, kill it. Okay, we got a phone. Yeah, we can go text people and during the apocalypse. Hello. That'd be funny. Oh god. Oh, come on. Come on. Yeah. I mean, like, at the end. It's funny. Open and see what's in here. Oh yeah, I need beer. Got beer. It just says beer. It doesn't actually say the brand. Stupid. God. Oh God, can we kill this? Float butter. Come on. Yes! Made that sound again. Oh, hello, my puppy. Oh, wow, I've never killed 2 floater-boaters like that before. Yeah. Loaded. Let's see, anything else? Anything else? Good. Anything? I probably shouldn't go here. Yeah. Let's just go around. Let's see if we can get to level 16. So here we go.